Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking euro currency futures. Really quiet day in the euro overall, essentially an unchanged close back above 116 after a bunch of bad performances by the currency. We had the Sintra conference close in Portugal, Sintra, Portugal. It was an ECB-led conference with central bankers present, and there was really no change in the overarching policy stance of the central bankers. Jerome Powell spoke and talked about the strong U.S. and having a good case for more rate hikes. Mario Draghi talked about caution, didn't walk back any of his statements in order to drive the euro higher at all. That didn't happen, and now we've essentially got a euro that is stabilized at its current level. The last 2 days have had very little movement, very little volume, and we're stabilizing right around this 116 level. We did get some good data out of the EU this morning. Their composite PMI number from market came in about a point higher than expected, showing some strength in the overall economy. The manufacturing part of this particular purchasing managers index did show some weakness, but the services sector made up for it, and the composite number again outpaced analyst estimates by a full percentage point. And then lastly, some dollar weakness today, which helped keep the euro unchanged. We get the dollar index a little lower now, 2 sessions in a row. Looks like it could be breaking down, but it also could just be a pause in the rally. And the reason I actually say that is because if it goes down another couple of notches, it'll go through some key levels and have an extended move lower, but it could be pausing just on its way back up. We'll have to see next week, depending on what comes out in terms of tariffs and trade data. Speaking of tariffs, Donald Trump did throw out the idea of 25% tariffs on European automakers, which also pushed the euro a little bit off of its highs earlier in the day. But overall, an unchanged euro stuck around 116 versus the US dollar. This is Bob Iaccino talking euro currency futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.